basically connect the dots between stores and offer the consumer both an opportunity to jump in a car and go to different stores. Number one, to get something special from each store. Number two, to win a prize, a tour, for example, on a Vespa, by getting the stamps that the passport needs. And I've just launched it, and I think it's going to take, it's the future rewards program, so to speak, for the cannabis industry, and it's got great merit. And I think that stoners or people enthusiastic about the cannabis industry would certainly enjoy having a range of passports that they've managed to document great experiences, like a journal, that they can then frame one day, put on their wall and say, I did that. And that's what it's all about, isn't it? It's about doing that.